Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and video number 3 in our series of the Cleveland Model Show 2025. I got a lot to cover here. First off, this show was put on by the IPMS Cleveland John H. Glenn chapter and the IPMS Western Reserve chapter. We're going to cover 4 categories today, and let's jump right into military vehicles. I was filming this during judging, so I didn't get everybody's project in the video, but we made sure we got everybody in the pictures at the end. But the talent here, I need to start learning how to build these because there's just so much that I could use from this in building my automotive stuff too. Just the shadings and just there's the small fine little details that have been put into all of these kits. It's just mind-boggling. So let's just sit back, enjoy the music, and watch the video. Could you imagine judging that? I sure can't. I would never want to be tasked with that. Let's just jump right into our next category, which is figures. Not a big category, but the detail is unbelievable. So check this out.
My dad's side.
That's a lot of detail in there. Zach actually judged that category, and he said that he had a hard time. He was glad that there were so many other people that judged already because they were showing him what to look for, and he said he learned a lot. But next in the line we have ships of all categories. So let's fire that up right now. How about that? I've built my fair share of ships before, and they were very good there. Now for our last category and our largest category, this is the miscellaneous category. It's kind of a catch-all for everything that isn't covered in other categories. It's going to be a little bit longer, but there's some really cool stuff here. I hope you enjoy this. man, I'll tell you what. That was a couple of tables full of really cool stuff. My grandson Luke is just now starting to get into building Gundams, and he was all over looking at those pictures. He thought that were really cool. I just loved the diorama, everything. It's just, again, all the talent and everything. Um, let's wrap this up. We'll thank our Cleveland Model Show hosts for everything that they have done for us. Um, Man, they put a lot of work into these. I want to thank Gallery for everything they've done for my channel. If you're going to get anything from Gallery, use Grandpa Mark. The coupon code gets you 10% off. And also, we want to thank our active duty members, our veterans, and our first responders. They put it on the line every single day for us, and my hat's off and I salute you. And with that, I'm going to let y'all go. I got one more installment to do yet. It should be out again next week. So come back and check that out, and I'll let y'all go. Y'all have a great day and a better tomorrow, and thank you very much for watching.